Good evening, family. How's everybody doing today on this Saturday evening? Hopefully, everybody's doing wonderfully blessed. Most importantly, hopefully, everybody had a safe day wherever you're at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy, Jaime G. That be this dude right here. I'm that guy that brings you the latest and greatest in developing and breaking news in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Guys, we're obviously going to dive into some Doge and some overall crypto markets. That's what we talk about on this channel on the daily. None of this is financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. In other words, me running my mouth on YouTube. Nothing more, nothing less. Now let's dive right into the content, guys. All right, guys. Bitcoin is sitting at 43,932 with 24 cents. We are up 2% for the day. Hold on, guys. And Bitcoin is at 43,932 with 24 cents. Not too bad, huh, guys? You know what I mean? I tell you guys, Bitcoin's going to do what Bitcoin's going to do regardless of, all the negative FUD around it with the whole, tax and infrastructure bill, so on and so forth. You know what I mean? Whether it happens or not, let's just be hypothetical. Say it did pass. Bitcoin is still going to continue to do what Bitcoin does regardless. It might affect the price a little bit, but I truly think that Bitcoin is just going to continue to push up. This is the beginning stages, guys, of digital currency, cryptocurrency. It's not going anywhere, whether people want to accept that or not. And life-changing wealth will be made for those who invest and continue to hodl. All right, guys, enough of that yip yap, and let's just dive right into Dogecoin. All right, let's dive into the superstar, guys. Dogecoin is sitting at 0.2609, right? 26 cents. We are up 23.73% for the day. We have a 24-hour low of 20 cents. Guys, we started the day off at 20 cents and skyrocketed to a 24-hour high of 28 cents, guys. I've been telling you guys for about a week now that we were going to blast off, you know what I mean? That we were going to push up, right? Anyways, we'll get about that here in a second when we look at the charts. Guys, our market cap is sitting at $34.11 billion. We are up $8 billion in our market cap, guys, in 24 hours. You know what I mean? Basically, because yesterday we were at 26 and now we're at 34. And our volume in the last 24 hours has gone from 1.3 billion yesterday to 7.89 billion, right? So we're up over $6 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. You know what I mean? Which has drastically helped push the price of Doge up, obviously, right, guys? All right, enough of that. Let's dive into the chart, right, guys? And let's briefly look at our new levels of resistance and support, right? Because we smashed past our existing level of resistance, right, guys, which was the 50-day moving average, right? So we have what you call flip the trend. Okay, that's the technical term when your resistance is now your support. So that's what's going on. So obviously you see this red line on the bottom, right, guys? The lower red line, which is the 50-day moving average, which is now our support at 22 cents. Now the 100-day moving average is the red line on top, which is now going to be our resistance at 30 cents, guys. So that's the key takeaway. But like I've been telling you guys, right, guys, I gave you guys three bullish technical reasons on why I believe that we were going to break to the upside. And what did we do, guys? We broke to the upside. I didn't tell you when because I didn't know. I don't have a magic crystal ball to let you guys know the exact day and time, but I told you that in my opinion I believe we were going to break to the upside because we broke out of a descending triangle since July 1st to the upside. We broke past our level of resistance at the 20-day moving average. We have consistently stayed above our level of support, which was the 20-day moving average. And we've been trading in a very tight range, plus or minus 2 cents, and consolidating like that for quite some time. And I said, in my opinion, because of those reasons, I believe that we were going to break to the upside. And what happened? We broke to the upside 8 cents today, guys. Yes, we're gonna retrace. We're gonna pull back quite a bit, guys. We're not gonna keep all that. It'd be nice, but reality is what goes up must come down, right? That's just the way things go. So we are gonna pull back, right? And it's gonna consolidate and take a breather, which is a good thing, guys. We want it to retrace and to consolidate and maybe trade in a tight pattern again, in a tight range, so we can blast off to that moon and beat that higher high of 74 cents or all-time high of 74 cents. All right, guys. So the key takeaway is, like I said, is 50-day moving average is our support at 22 cents. Resistance is now the 100-day moving average at 30 cents. And just continue to hodl and be them diamond hands, guys. We're going to make it past that 74 cents. And we're going to make it to that dollar by the end of this year. we're going to shut all those haters' mouths up that said we weren't going to make it to $1. But all right, guys, now that's as far as what I got for the technicals. Now let's get into a little bit of some fundamentals here, right, guys? You got to have a little bit of technicals and some fundamentals. All right, guys, let me open myself up here. All right, now let's get into this article here talking about that the millionaire. We'll get into it right now. All right, come on, baby. It says, as Dogecoin spikes 13%, former Dogecoin millionaire thinks of grabbing some more. Now, hopefully you guys were buying the dip, guys, when the price was dipping, when we were having all those lows. Hopefully you guys were buying the dip. I know I did, guys. I'm looking pretty good today on profits. Hopefully you guys are too. All right, now let's get into this article. It says, Glauber Contesto, who positioned himself as a Dogecoin millionaire, but a former one now, has tweeted that he is thinking about acquiring more of the most famous meme cryptocurrency. Now, guys, you always want to buy in the low and sell in the high if you're going to sell. Right, guys? Or if not, you can always average your way down. You know what I mean? If you have to do it that way, that's always a good thing as well. But you never want to buy it when it's pumping way up, you know, up 25%. Right, guys? Because, I mean, if you do, you do, right? But you don't, hopefully you don't want to, because if you buy it at 25%, reality, it's going to pull back. It's not going to stay up 25% all the time, right? It's going to pull back. You know what I mean? That's just the way it is. That's just reality. Now, it says, at the time of the writing, this Dogecoin, the 7th largest digital currency, is changing hands at 22 cents after 12.88% growth over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap data. Now, it says after buying $250 worth of Dogecoin back in February, Contesto saw his investment grow into more than $2 million when the meme currency rallied on Elon Musk's tweet in mid-April, hitting 74 cents, guys. Just imagine, you know what I mean? From February to April, guys, he became a millionaire with $250,000, $250. He became a millionaire of $2 million. I can't even talk, right? He made $2 million, guys, but he's continuing to hodl, even though he lost. He did not sell any Doge then when the price of the joke cryptocurrency started going down, and Contesto lost 167,000 worth of Dogecoin in a single day. He basically almost lost half of his initial investment, right, guys? It says he continues to stack the crypto and quit his day job to fully focus on his Dogecoin YouTube channel and started getting paid in Doge for making videos for other crypto projects. It says the main trigger for Dogecoin's growth has always been tweets of Elon Musk. The coin, I'm going to touch on that right now. And it says the coin's biggest and most influential fan. Yes, he is the Doge father. Yes, he does help the price go up, but that's not the only reason. And I'll give you some more reasons why. It says he has not been tweeting much about it recently. Exactly, guys. Yes, when Elon tweets, guys, he does help pump the price up, but he didn't pump it today. And look, we shot up 8%, guys. You know what I mean? There is a lot of fundamentals and a lot of technicals that are going for Doge, right? We have over 1,400 companies that accept it as a form of payment. I mean, I can go on and on, right? I mean, that's what I do. I make videos on the daily about technicals and fundamentals and positive catalysts for the near and foreseeable future of Doge, right? You can go check out all my channels, right? That's what I do, right? I do my homework and I share it for you guys so you guys can be informed on what's going on. So, you know what I mean? That isn't the only reason, right? And that's what they like to say. They like to say, and that kind of gets on my nerves and upsets me, right? Because that isn't the only reason, right? Us Doge community, us Doge army, we stand firmly behind Doge, and we help the price of Doge go up together, right? Not just because of Elon, you know what I mean? So, all right, guys. Now let's get into some. I want to get into some crypto news here, guys, right? Because what's good for the overall crypto markets is good for Doge, right, guys? All right, let's get it. Come on, baby. Hopefully you guys are having a blessed day. Thank you if you're still with me. Hopefully you're still with me, man, and I haven't bored you guys to death. Here we go. All right, it says Ethereum rises above 3,000 for the first time since May. The price of ETH keeps climbing after the London hard fork upgrade, recapturing a level it hasn't held in nearly 3 months. It's the same thing with Bitcoin, guys. You know what I mean? Bitcoin basically hasn't gone to where it's gone in over 3 months, right? So this is bullish for the overall crypto markets, right? When Ethereum's pumping and Bitcoin are pumping, Dogecoin comes up too, and so does the overall crypto markets as well. The sentiment greed is back, right, on the scale, guys. Right, the fear and greed index, right? We're back in greed again. There was a lot of fear, right, because of all of this negative FUD and bullshit that had been surrounding the crypto markets. You know what I mean? I continued to stay bullish. I knew that we were just consolidating and we were going to get through all this crap. We just had to, Bitcoin had to, and cryptos had to prove themselves, and they did, right? They proved themselves to be strong and pushed through the negativity, right? And look at where we're at now. The bull run is back, baby. All right, guys. It says the price of ETH has passed 3,000 today, the first time it has been this high since since the May market free fall. It says Ethereum's recent London hard fork upgrade is cited as a reason for the rise, although the wider crypto market is also up. That's, you know what I mean, guys? So it's because the overall markets are doing good. People are bullish. People's sentiment is positive once again, and that's what we needed, right? Because there was just too much fear going on, right, for the people that were scaredy cats, right? All right, guys, let's get into this other article here that I got for you guys. All right, how much time do I got in here with you guys? All right, guys, this is gonna be my last article here, right, guys? I think this is some pretty good positive news as well, guys. Oh, now it says Coinbase enables crypto buys with Apple Pay, instant 100K cash out, Google Pay to follow. Now this is good, guys, because it's just showing adoption and how we're just moving and we're progressing in the crypto world, right? As far as payments and who's on board and so on and so forth, right? So this is bullish, a bullish catalyst for crypto, guys. It says the Nasdaq listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has enabled crypto buys with Apple Pay and instant cash outs of up to 100 grand per transaction. The company will also soon enable crypto buys with Google Pay. Now, how many people buy groceries? There's so many people that use Apple Pay and Google Pay, guys, at the grocery store, everywhere, right? You just use your phone and bam, 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 you scan with your phone. Now, I mean, that'd be cool, right? It makes things a little bit faster and easier as well if you can do it on Coinbase for your digital currency, right, guys? So I think it's pretty cool, right? Damn bugs, mosquitoes. But I think it's a cool positive move for Coinbase and for just overall crypto. I'm going to read just one paragraph. It says crypto exchange Coinbase announced Thursday that users can now buy Bitcoin and other currencies on its platform with Apple Pay. Pascal Herman, senior director of Coinbase's payments and financial hub, explained. He said, "We are introducing new and seamless ways to enable crypto buys with linked debit card to Apple Pay and Google Pay, and instant cash outs up to 100 grand per transactions available 24/7. All right, guys, it says Coinbase detailed if you already have a Visa or a MasterCard debit card linked in your Apple Wallet, Pay would automatically appear as a payment method when you're buying crypto with Coinbase on an Apple Pay supported iOS device or Safari web browser. The announcement adds that U.S. customers can also buy cryptocurrency with a connected bank account via ACH, wire transfers, and debit card, or funds in their Coinbase USD wallet. All right, guys, now this is what I had for you on this Saturday evening. Hopefully it was fun, it was informative, it was helpful, useful. If it was, maybe you can please consider to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you're new, maybe give me a thumbs up if you liked it, or give me a thumbs down if you didn't like it. It's all good in the hood. Or don't do anything, guys. I just appreciate you guys coming by my channel. Well, stay blessed and stay safe, and stay tuned for another video tomorrow on some Doge and crypto news. Peace out, guys, and stay blessed.